Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're breaking down how to send Stellar XLM from your Coinbase wallet to Bitrue in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this guide keeps things simple and up-to-date so you can handle your transfers with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Coinbase Wallet app installed and logged in. Double-check that you have Stellar tokens in your account. Nothing worse than trying to send what you don't have. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and head to the Assets tab. Scroll until you find Stellar XLM, then tap on it to select. Step 2. Hit the Send button. This will bring up a screen for entering details. But before you go further, log into your Bitrue account, either via their app or website, and navigate to your wallet. Copy the Stellar deposit address from there. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to avoid costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Bitrue address into the recipient field. Next, enter the amount of Stellar you want to send. Keep in mind any network fees. It's smart to leave a little extra to cover them. Step 4. Review everything on the confirmation screen: the amount, the address, and the fees. If it all looks good, tap Send and confirm with your wallet's security, like a fingerprint or PIN. After that, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on network traffic. Once it's done, jump back to Bitrue and check your wallet to confirm the Stellar has arrived. And there you have it. Your Stellar is now on Bitrue, ready for trading or staking. If you run into issues, reach out to the exchange support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.